This is the EG4 8K-EXP-240, a hybrid split-phase inverter with extensive certifications and the ability to manage power from solar, battery, and grid simultaneously. Each unit has a 12,000 watt max solar input with 4 500 VOC max MPP trackers. This is great for people building large systems, and with this design you can set up large solar systems without the need of expensive combiner boxes and heavy gauge low voltage wiring. This inverter delivers 120 240 volt split phase power from a single unit, and it allows you to parallel up to 4 units. This means you can start small and with a few units, then expand your system as you need to. Utilize solar, battery storage, and grid power simultaneously to power your home, RV, or other solar projects with up to 8 kilowatts of uninterrupted continuous output. Or apply this unit as backup power system without solar. The 8K-EXP is designed with a built-in LCD display to navigate and make changes quickly. A long list of settings are available in the manual, and the inverter has standard configurations, but advanced users will be able to try other options as well. This unit also has a Wi-Fi device that can be attached to the bottom of the unit to allow remote monitoring. From the bottom of the unit, we can clearly see where all the connectivity happens. The inputs and outputs are clearly marked on this unit and is very easy to follow during setup. Now, moving from the left to the right, we have our battery input, our communications inputs, our PV inputs, our generator and grid input, and then our load 1 and load 2 outputs. The manual for this unit is packed in the box, as well as ongoing revised versions available on both signaturesolar.com and EG4 Electronics websites. If you have any questions, please contact the Signature Solar support page.